Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be creating the our services slide for a pitch deck presentation template in PowerPoint. Alright, let's get started. We're going to start with a new slide, so I'm going to come to new slide and insert a blank slide. Next up, I'm going to right click, select format background, go over to color. We're going to change the color of this slide to black. Next up, let's go to insert text box, and I'm going to grab my text. This text is going to be in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check that out. And I'm going to paste. Select the entire text box, and I'm going to change the font to Montserrat. And size is going to be 44. And I'm going to change the color of the text to white. Next up, I'm going to hold Ctrl and Shift to create another copy of this text box while also keeping it aligned. I'm going to change the size of this text box to 20. Let's grab the accompanying text for this. I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to paste, and I'm just going to increase the width so that I have my text on 4 lines just like this. I could also just move it back a bit. We may still have to move it again. Let me just Ctrl G to group so that I can align both text boxes to the center of our slide. We may still have to move it, but for now, we're going to have it there. Go over to shapes and want to use this shape under basic shapes. So this one, the parallelogram. I'm going to go over to fill and I'm going to change the fill to this. I'm going to show you the color in a moment. Go to more fill colors. This is the color we've been using throughout this project. The color is FF7A00. And I'm going to remove the outline. So we're going to have no outline for that shape. Come over here to dimensions. We are going to change the height of, no need for the height. Let's just change the width. The width of this shape is going to be 20. And I'm going to position it around here. The height should just be in the entire height of the slide like this. So I'm just going to have it somewhere around here. Next up, we're going to create a copy of this shape. So I'm going to hold Control and just drag. Now we have another copy. This one, we are going to change the color to white. The width of this text box is going to be, or this shape, sorry, is going to be 14, and the height is going to be 2.6. And I can just align it here. So we're going to do a bit of just going to eyeball it and align it to the center where we want to follow the shape, how it's in this direction. So I'm going to have a total of 5. So I'm just going to create 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I have a total of 5 of these shapes. What we just need to make sure is that the top and bottom have equal spacing. Select all 5 under shape format, go to align and distribute vertically. Now what I'm going to do is just move them like this so that we can have them like so. I think I'll just use my arrow key for this one since it's giving me a bit of a hard time. Alright, now that we have all of this, what we're going to do now is add in our text. I'm going to grab a copy. Let me just select this and then on group. So I can just reuse our text box, or you could insert another one. That's fine. I'm going to select this text box and I'm going to hold Control, grab a copy and bring it here. Let's change the color of the text to white. Size of this text is 22. Oh, we change the color of the text to black and then change the size to 22. I'm going to grab the content for the first one, copy, and then I'm going to paste. Alignment of the text, select the entire text box. I'm going to change the alignment of the text to center and then align this text to the middle and center of the shape. Now we're going to hold Control, create another copy. We're not going to worry too much about the alignments for now. We're just aligning it to the middle. But when we add in our text, the width of the text box may change. So when we do that, we'll worry about the center. But for now, align it to the middle. Just like this. Let's now go on to grab the second one. I'm going to copy and then paste. I'm going to increase the width of this text box and then align it to the middle as well as the center of this text box, this shape. I'm having a hard time, so I'll just select both of them. Go to shape format, align center, align middle. Go to the next one. I'm going to copy, paste, select the shape and the text box. Go to align center, align middle. Let's move on to this one. And I'm going to paste. I'm going to select these two, shape format, align center, align middle. And then finally, I'm going to copy and then paste. Select the text box and the shape, align center, and then align middle. Next, we're going to select each one of these items, Ctrl G to group. So select the text and then the shape behind it and then group it using Ctrl and G. And I'm just going to do that for all of them. Next up, select this parallelogram, the orange one, hold Ctrl and Shift and then drag to create another copy and bring it to this side like this. Let me just check to make sure. All right, now go to shape format, shape fill, change the fill of that shape to black. Select slide 6, Ctrl D to duplicate. Now select the slide on top or whatever number yours is. Let's go to transitions. We're going to use the wipe transition and duration is going to be 2.25. And I'm going to select all of these grouped items. And what we're going to do now is just move it out of frame just a little bit all the way to the side. So I'm going to move all of this like this. Then I'm going to hold Ctrl, select this one, and then I'm going to move this a bit. Select this one, move it a bit. This, and then finally, I'm just going to move it. So you're going to have something that looks a little bit like this. Now let's come to slide 7 and we are going to add the morph transition. So we're going to apply the morph transition and we are going to increase duration to 3 seconds. Let's go back to the slide above and then we can see what our slide looks like in the slideshow view. So I'm just going to add this, and when I add this in, we're going to have our shape coming one by one. You know what I just thought of? This was not part of the original plan, but you know what? Sometimes things change. I'm going to select this shape because I just felt like it would actually look really interesting to also have this shape coming as well. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to move this out of frame. I just want to make sure I won't be able to see it in the slide. All right. I just want to make sure I'm not seeing it in the slide. Okay. All right. Let's do that one more time. So just select the shape, the parallelogram, and move it out of frame. Let's see how it will look like. So I'll just start the slideshow view and then, you know what, this actually looks much more interesting. All right. So this is the final version. This was not how I planned it. You know, when I created the first one, I just animated only those ones coming in, but I just felt like adding that parallelogram in the animation is going to look cool. But anyway, that is it for the services slide for the what are you calling it? Pitch deck template tutorial in PowerPoint. If you enjoyed the video and you want to watch the other videos on how I create all of the other slides in this template, you can go ahead and check out the description box below to the links to the individual videos or the course playlist, or you could click on the video or playlist on screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.